Let me move some stuff out of the way here, guys. Anyway, some sockets here. This is stuff for the ZFS542 transmission stuff. We all this stuff we're doing here too. But I'm going to show you today. I'm always started on this how to change a bushing. Yeah, since mine's stripped out. If you ain't seen the previous video, check it out. I'm installing link bars, and it's got the full install. Me changing these out and stuff. So definitely stay tuned. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your bushing. Upper one, the bottom ones is pretty much, they just fried on. As you can see, this is a new one. The bolt stripped, we had to cut it off. And I'm going to change the bushings and put it into my old one. And so I don't have no downtime and have to wait on the part. That's where changing these spray bar bushings come in handy. And you can buy them separate. So hope you enjoy this video. We move these and everything. This is the old one. As you can see, it needs replaced. So let's go ahead and get this new one out. You want to set it on something right here and here so this will come out. I use this right here, working perfect for it, and find you something that fits this great. Sometimes lug nuts can. This, I've been using a bolt, just one of these turned up just like so. That's that part. Here's your bushing. Now you should be able to just pry your bushing down through here. It's in two pieces. I don't know if you can see it, but it should just press out. And you don't want to tear it. It's a new bushing, so try to twist it. That's that part. And here's this part. I've had enough of these. I've powder coat them, but they don't need it. Now we got that. We set this out of the way. We do the same thing to the old one because you need the old bushing out anyway. These might come out a lot easier because, As for coming out easier, no. If this don't work, you can always torch these off and it makes a mess, but yeah, just so you know. So I'm torching it out because basically I couldn't get the bushing out with a hammer and stuff. Putting it out pretty good, so we just torch it and then knock it out. Try not to burn yourself. And once it gets so hot, it should just fall out. Now be careful not burn yourself. And get some water nearby and stuff, because you don't want to start a fire. And this stuff does pop and make a mess. But we got it out now. Let it cool off. So now you want to let that cool off, because that's extremely hot. Because we melted that shit out of it. So I gotta let that cool down. And I'm gonna let it cool down on its own instead of dipping it in water. Or dipping it in oil. So I gotta go pick a gas tank up. So by the time I get back, it should be cool. And we can assemble it. So yeah. Gas tank time. So this is cooled off now. Give it time. Now we want to go ahead and put our bushings in right here and put this in here, and they will fit a little loose till we get this guy drove in. Then it should tighten up. So let's go ahead and get this in, and as you can see, they tightened up. And we can tap that on down. Make sure it's about even on both sides. Split the difference. There we go. We now have fixed the spray bar and it can go onto the truck. That's pretty much how you change your bushing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop me a like. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.